a very, very tall tree. And this tree has a very long arm. And it's even connecting to another tree. And so it's very amazing. And this tree, I don't know when it was born, but it's still a very old tree. And some very old birches are around it. A silver birch tree. And very strong roots around here. And bramble is very common in Wimbledon Common. And it's very interesting sticks and stones and leaves and things around.
Right.
So you are going to do some now.
Okay.
What are we looking at now? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. No. And right now I am just trying to get through some very harsh bramble. Harsh bramble, I said. And I'm coming along to some dry or dead grass and tufts and things. Yeah, yeah, and there are very many crows around here. The only wildlife I'm seeing is a bit of moss and some plants and a load of bramble.
Right.
Bramble, I mean. And here's a nice stringy plant.
Is that some grass?
Yeah, it's very thick grass.
Right.
And now we're going up to some very prickly holly. And some very, very nice birch trees. One is completely sliced off flat. And we're just getting a dog into film. Let's see, where's he gone? Here he is. Got him. And here's a dead end, but I think we can get over this very big log. Yeah. Everything is very common in Wimbledon Common. That was nice. And there are lots of things that lead to other places. And I'm just going to stop off here to film a little bit of this. Now we're filming a big tuft with a hole in it and lots of moss on it.
Do you think anything lives in the hole?
Yeah, and we think that some rabbits or things live in that big hole. Now we're getting back on track a little. And we're coming across some nice bad nettles. Very many of them too. And here is a nice big pond. A perfect place for animals to stop and have a nice drink of water. Up the hill and up in the sky. And here is a very deep hole with
Like a trench.
yeah, with a drinks in it, and there's nice silver birds inside it. And then now we're going into some dry places again. And these are some very dry places. So I really need to keep the camera out of the way of these green and bad plants, especially the bramble and other stuff. And I don't think we should actually go in this place. It's too gorsy and prickly. And so there's still another way of getting around this.
Around this way.
Okay. Now we're going up to a sign that has a big black outside triangle with an exclamation mark in it, and a yellow colouring in it, and it says something